Yes, Bloom, sasabi na ni Ate Jo. Pero just know na dahil you guys have our back, nalilito na ako. Kasi you guys have our back, so you have a back.
A few moments later.
Ikaw, Bebe, anong comment mo? Saan? For everything. Thank you so much. Thank you po for coming. Now let's all warm up to be warm.
Kailangan mo kabaan yung pasensya mo kasi hindi ka naman makapunta agad doon like in a snap. It's not possible. You need a lot of snap.
What?
Nag-graduate na ako college.
Graduate ka na?
Nag-graduate na.
Wala, ano?
Naiyak ako.
Naiyak ka. Mag-ika mo na
Thank you.
The next day.
Init! Init talaga. Nung bata ko, pangarap kong mag-artista. Pero ngayon, pangarap ko na lang maging boss. Do you guys want more? Okay, bye-bye. BRB. Tama na, puro na kayo. So I want everyone to have fun tonight. Okay, wala akong papagod kasi kami nga, di ba, oh? Hindi kami pagod. Kayo nakaupo lang, nag-cheer. No? Wala ka papagod, okay? Yeah! I love the energy! At dahil dyan, let's continue with this energy as we go on to our next performance. Recital!
Guys, salamin. Sana siya ay mapasa akin. Mga ganyan.
Ay! Naging effective ba yan? Ginagawa niyo ba yan talaga sa totoong buhay? Effective po, kasi...
Agagagari, just be careful, just ignore the back. The coconut nut is a big, big nut. Why are you laughing at me? I'm not kidding. The coconut nut is a big, big nut. The big nut is a big, big nut. The coconut nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat now. It's a big... The coconut nut is a big nut.
Sige na, ikaw yung pambata namin.
Let's go, Sandy!
Galing!
Nagugulat! Sige, ikaw. Mangga mong nakapalda, papasok na sa school para rumampa dun sa mahabang daanan saan sa salba ka nga ba ng iyong pusong nagwawa?
Nana, 1, 2, 3, go!
I'm not gonna think, ha? This will just all go out on my mouth. Kakasabik naman pala na kapag ikaw ay nandyan na sa tula sa tuktok ng iyong bunganga, alam mo namang hindi ako mapapatulala sa gandang iyong napapala sa kanyang tatay ba o sa iyong nanay na mukha namang lola. Jollibee, ako nga ba'y bibili ng itong aking pinamili? Kaya Jollibee, ako'y napaibig sa iyong ngipin.
One eternity later.
First candidate, Sheena Katakuta. If I would be an animal, I would like to be a cat or a tiger. Because I want to be a cat, you can meow. If you're a tiger, you can roar.
Bakit gusto mo mag-meow?
I want to meow so that I can contribute to the world. Sobrang laking tulong if you can meow. Like, even Ate Janice, she can smile if I can meow. Like, the worms here in our house, the ipis, they can substitute. They can melt into a mountain.
What?
And the gas, solid and medium.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Tiger kasi natra-transpose siya into one. Tsaka what is the final answer? Meow. Okay.
Advice po sa mga magbe-beach?
Yes.
Yes, you should wear sunscreen if you don't want to get burned. Kasi I'm burned. And bring snacks. Kasi baka yung resort na pupuntahan mo overpriced. And, if you wanna see under the sea, bring goggles. And magdala kayo ng sariling shampoo and sabon. Shampoo and sabon para hindi kayo nagsisigawan sa CR.
Vision.
A few moments later.
Vision. A community living in freedom and fullness of being fully reconciled with self, others. Ano sabi mo? Okay, for FYI, and ayun, I'm Sheena May Katakutan. Mostly known for Sheena. I'm the student council here. I make sure. Thank you.
Sayang naman. Oh.
Ko talaga yung call. Malakas mo.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Hindi post ko po ever since bata pa lang po ako, andyan na po siya. Yes, yun po yung rason. Kayo po, ba't po kayo may ngipin?
Can they say something crazy?
Sige!
Marry me?
Ayoko. Masaya pala yung mga duet. Sorry po kuya, bini po kayo, wapa kami po pakasal. Pwede naman po, ire-redo ko dyan sa iba.
You don't feel any pressure right now?
I feel any pressure. Yes.
What is the essence of a woman?
Can you share it to us?
No po.
Wala pa kasi silang sagot.
That time po, I was 13 years old. Tas the rest of them po, late 20s to early 30s. So, bunso, baby. You're my son and moon.
Wala namatay. Sabihin ko pa lang na itaga mo sa pagtaga mo. Eh di wag mo itaga. Ayaw niya pala eh. Eh di wag. Wag na. Tataga pa eh.
Hi guys, I'm Sheena and if I were to be an animal, I would be I would like to be a rabbit. Thank you.
Wow, bakit rabbit?
Why not? Me too, I want to switch with Ate Jo because she's resting now. I'm just kidding. Yeah, she's in the Philippines right now. Like, when will you go back? No. Yeah, Ate Jo, because I'm obsessed with her. So why not be her? Yes. 1, 2, 3, go! Asaan?
Wala! Eto!
Position muna, position. Yan.